accused of being the lookout during a deadly mass shooting over the Memorial Day weekend back in 2021.
A Miami-Dade homicide detective taking the stand again, and Local 10 News reporter Leanne Motorhong is live with the testimony.
So this is the third day of testimony from Detective Alexander Turnus of the Miami-Dade Police Department. And just a short time ago, the defense began to cross-examine her. This is, of course, the murder trial for 23-year-old Devontae Barnes, facing 3 counts of first-degree murder and 21 counts of attempted murder in connection to the mass shooting on Memorial Day 2021 outside a Mula banquet hall. Now, yesterday, prosecutors were playing that interrogation video that also continued into today, where they say that he confessed to conspiring with the shooters and that he was acting as a lookout, parking his mother's vehicle in the parking lot and driving around looking for the intended targets, according to prosecutors. They also used his own words to tell the story. 3 people would die that day and many others would be injured. Today's proceedings got off to an interesting start, and that is because there were a couple of issues with jurors who had some personal problems they wanted to bring up to the judge. But in addition, there was also an issue with the defendant himself. His defense attorney told the judge that he had concerns about whether or not they could proceed today because he had a tooth extracted at 7:30 this morning. Devontae Barnes had his face visibly swollen, his jaw area was puffy, and he had a hard time speaking to the judge when he was asked questions. And so the judge said that she did want to hear from corrections about why they decided to do this morning ahead of the trial day and during this trial proceeding. So that'll be addressed at lunchtime. But again, as we mentioned, Miami-Dade Police Detective Alexandra Turnus, she's from the Homicide Unit, back on the stand for the 3rd day. We do have some live pictures from inside the courtroom as that cross-examination continues. They're asking some tough questions about whether or not she handled this case the way she handles every other case, bringing up the fact that this was a case that shocked not only South Florida, but was talked about nationally. And so coming back out live, we will be heading back into the courtroom and we'll let you know what happens on later editions of Local 10 News. For now, reporting live in Miami, Leanne Motorhong, Local 10 News.
Indeed, strange timing about that tooth extraction. Okay, thanks a lot, Leanne.